Zeus and the thunderstorm that got out of control. Dedicated to Clementine. Zeus was very happy. He had just had his favorite lunch, fried chicken and rice, and he was going to have a gods-only disco party this afternoon. It was a hot day, so Zeus had turned on the air conditioning. Suddenly, his lightning bolt began to shake. Then it shook even harder. Finally, it shook so hard that it shook the cloud Zeus lived on. Zeus was upset. His lightning bolt only shook when there was a dangerous thunderstorm going on. This thunderstorm had ruined his afternoon. Zeus yelled, "Take care of the thunderstorm before you flip over my cloud." But nothing happened. Zeus was confused. This had never happened before. Usually the lightning bolt stopped right away. But then, the lightning bolt had never shook so hard before. Zeus decided to go to this awful thunderstorm and stop it himself. Zeus flew over a peaceful pond. "This isn't it," he said. Zeus flew for another day and another night. He came to a calm meadow. "This isn't the site of the storm either," Zeus said. Finally, Zeus came to a little island in the middle of the sea. It looked like it had just weathered a storm, so Zeus kept going. Finally, Zeus heard thunder in the distance. "I'm here. I'll stop this thunderstorm that ruined my day." Dear gods, sorry that the party did not happen. I was off fighting a storm. We will have it next week. Zeus. Zeus used all his power to stop the storm. He used spells and did something he never did. He used his lightning bolt. Finally, Zeus succeeded in defeating the storm. He returned home triumphant, but so tired he could not stay awake. He changed the date of his party so he could go. Zeus slept and slept. Meanwhile, his lightning bolt started to shake. Zeus is the god of the sky. The end.